What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Manders, and on this channel we like to do a lot of unboxings. We do a lot of beauty reviews, some makeup reviews, and I usually drop something. So if that's stuff you're interested in, then make sure that you stick around. I am Manders, and this is my channel, and today we are unboxing September 2019 BoxyCharm. So for those of you who don't know, this is a subscription. It is monthly. It retails for around $20 US. I can't remember the exact price, but I will leave it in the description box below. It usually comes with 5 full-size items, and I personally, this is one of my favorite boxes. Now I have a general idea of what might be in here, but I can't really remember, so I'm pretty surprised, so we're just gonna dive right into it. I have just taken the tape off, but I haven't even opened it yet. So we're going to dive right in. The first thing is a card, because they always give you a card that gives you all of the items. So I'm just going to keep this right here. And the one thing I do like about BoxyCharm is they actually give you the prices, which is perfect for me. So the first thing is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. So that's it right there. Oh, can you see it? Perfect. So it comes like this. And this is a full-size tube. I had a sample size of this that I received from Sephora, and I really enjoyed it, so I'm super pumped to try this because I don't have any sleeping masks right now. So that's super exciting. This does retail for $52 US. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot. But it is a really good company, so I will use this. I don't know if I'd buy the full size on my own, but I'll definitely use this one. So I'm just going to set it right here. Next up, ooh, we have a 5-piece deluxe brush set by Moda. So I'm actually going to pop these open because these look really nice, and I love brushes. And as you can see from behind me, I have about 1 million of them. It was funny the other day. I was talking to my best friend, and I was like, how many makeup brushes do you have? And she was like, none. I'm like, how are we best friends? Like, seriously, come over to my house. I'll give you brushes. Oh, so these are really nice. First of all, I love the handle. It's like textured, so that's super cool. So this is a nice brush right here. They're just simple eye brushes. I do enjoy Moda brushes, so I'm pretty excited to give these a try. I'm just going to set them down right here, and we're going to check out and see how much these are worth. So these are worth $27.95. That's not too bad. For a set of 5 brushes, that's okay. Alright, and third we have, this is by Hank and Henry. This is Stick With It. So this is a long wear liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I'm not going to open this right now and swatch it because I do have a couple liquid eyeliners that are black that I am using. However, I have been meaning to try something from this brand. I don't know if you follow her, but it's skincare and beauty with Perky Perkins. I'll leave her down below. She raves about Hank and Henry, and I've talked to her a few times, and she's like, yeah, they're great. So I'm really excited to try this because I haven't tried this before. Now this does retail for $20, which is a lot for a liquid eyeliner. However, I've heard great things about it, so hopefully it becomes a new favorite. All right, and what is this? Oh, so okay, so this is Billion Dollar Brows. This is a microblade effect brow pen. Cool. I don't have any of these. Oh, that's neat. So it comes like that. Can you see? So I'm just gonna. So it's supposed to mimic brow strokes. I will actually probably do a video just on this. I have never tried one of these brow pencils before, so I'm super excited to try this out. I'm actually really happy so far with all of these items, so yay me. This retails for $18. Interesting. So it is in dark brown, which is going to be perfect for my brows, and I gotta tell you, this is so intriguing to me, so I'm super excited. And last but not least, almost every single BoxyCharm comes with a palette. So this month, so happy. This is the one I wanted. This is the Violet Voss Essentials. This is the Pro Series. I have not tried anything from Violet Voss, and they did have 4 different palette options this month, and I I'm really happy that I got this one, because this one, if you've been around me for a while, you know I love eyeshadow palettes. And we're just gonna pop it open, and oh, that is so flippin' nice. So this retails for $29, so that's pretty good. So let's just look at these for a second, because I can tell you that is a gorgeous palette. So the color story is really nice. There are some really nice neutral matte shades here, and then there are just these pops of color. The shade emerald right here, that's exactly, that reminds me of like the Wizard of Oz. I'm going to swatch the other shades as well. This is the shade Gold, just some of the shimmers. Like, that is beautiful and easy. They're swatching really well. This is the shade Plum Berry, and I'm actually gonna swatch one of the matte shades too. And I think I'm going to swatch the shade Terracotta. This palette is just very, it's giving me the fall vibes. Look at those. Those are beautiful. That was so easy to swatch. I wish I wasn't wearing makeup right now, because I would totally put this on my eyes. But stay tuned, because I might do something a little wacky, and maybe I'll do my makeup again today. So watch out. You will see a full review on this palette for sure. You will all, so I'm super excited. I'm really excited for these brushes as well. The Hank and Henry liner is super exciting for me, as well as this micro blade liner. And I have to say, I'm super excited for this. Especially this time of year, my skin gets a little finicky. So I do need to use something extra, and sleeping masks are usually my go-to. So that is perfect. So that is what I got in my BoxyCharm. I am very satisfied with this month. I really do like these items, and I cannot wait to do full reviews on all of them. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you really want a full featured video on, or if you want me to do a get ready with me using these items, just let me know. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys, and thank you for all of your support.